Hello everyone, this is Nur Shafika binti Suhaimi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare standard solution for the subjects of Molecular Biology Technique 1. There are 6 different types of solutions that we need to prepare in this lab session, but I'm just going to use the first one, which is the CTAP NaCl buffer. So the first procedure that we need to do is to dissolve 4.1 gram NaCl in 80 ml of water, and then we're gonna need to slowly add 10 gram of CTAP while heating to 65 degrees Celsius on a magnetic stirrer plate while stirring. And then after that we're gonna adjust to final volume until 100 ml, and then after that we autoclave and store in room temperature for the solutions that we already prepared. The next step is to dissolve NaCl in water using a magnetic stir. This is the magnetic stir we used. The left side is for the heating, and for the middle is for the power, and for the right side is the rotation of the stirrer. So the next step that we need to do is to weigh 10 gram of CTAP, and then slowly we add into the solution while heating the plate until approximately 65 degrees Celsius.
Like a bird on
In this process, we let the magnetic stirrer stirring the solution to mix them well.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together.
After the solutions mix well, we need to transfer the CTAP NaCl solution into volumetric flask, and then we're gonna add distilled water to top up until 100 ml. During this process of adjusting to final volume, the level of the eye must be same as the meniscus level of the solution in the volumetric flask. By using tunnel, we transfer the CTAP NaCl solution into the volumetric flask.
To see the truth around you, from a distance you can tell.
And then rinse off the residue of the solution inside the beaker to make sure all of the solution is already being transferred into the volumetric flask. And also we need to rinse off the tunnel as well to make sure there's no residue of the NaCl CTAP buffer solution. And then close the lid, and then we shake the volumetric flask to mix them well.
Forever free.
Be careful when topping up the distilled water so that the solution won't exceed the required level. check the volumetric flask well so that all the solutions inside will mix well, and in the end of the result we will have 10% of CTAP and ACL solution. The next step that we need to do is transfer the CTAP and ACL solution into the blue cap bottle and then autoclave and then store at room temperature. First, switch on the power, close the drain valve, pour in water until the required level. Prepare the solution by putting on the autoclave tap on top of the bottle. Put inside the bottle of solution and then close the lid, and then set the temperature until 121 degrees Celsius at 15 psi. While waiting, fill in the user logbook. After sterilization complete, open the lid carefully and take out the solutions and then let it cool at room temperature. So finally, we have our CTAP and ACL buffer solution. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video will have good benefit to all of us for academic purpose, and take care everyone and stay safe.